Hello all, Vinod here from Endurance Engineering Academy. So, those who are following our YouTube channel, those who are following our Endurance Engineering Academy Institute, they know that we have some various courses, video courses and test series, right? So, if there was any small confusion regarding the course, okay, the confusion may be with respect to price, or the confusion may be with respect to the content, or the confusion may be with respect to what actually we are having in that course, and if I register for the course, what actually we will get. Okay, so if there was any confusion, okay, with respect to our course, then this is the video for you. Okay, I'm going to explain from A to Z. Okay, whatever we are going to do in our course. Okay, basically we have first. Let me just give you the brief. I will just be patient and just listen to me fully. Okay, it might take 20 minutes also to cover all the things because the features which we are going to provide in our course is something which is very what I could say, which is much more than what you actually think of. Okay, if you just go through our web pages, you might find out all the features listed out, but you won't able to understand it that much directly. Okay, right. So first of all, basically what we offer GATE ME courses, we offer GATE XE, especially for engineering mathematics, fluid mechanics, solid mechanics, and thermodynamics. We know that out of three, these two will be optional, and A will be compulsory, and of course plus aptitude is also there. And coming to test series, we have ME test series and also XE test series. Okay, for GATE 2022. And coming to subject courses, each subject has been kept as a separate course, and additional topics of XEABE and previous year questions of XEABE. Okay, that is a separate course. As of now, okay, when I was recording this video, until now this course was not live in our website, but it will be live within some 2 weeks. Okay, because all the videos are already ready. Just we need to make a sales page and then we need to make it as a live. I will talk about it, what that course covers, and finally ME plus XE courses. That is combined course of ME plus XE. Okay. Now, first, let me talk about the course. I will be listing out the price of each and every course. Everything is going to be transparent. I'm not going to hide anything. Okay, I'm going to list price of each and everything. Everything is going to be transparent. Okay. Now, coming to features. First, let me talk about my full courses. Okay, regarding our full courses. Of course, it is going to contain video lectures, an optimized form of video lectures. I already said it in the previous videos also. Optimized form in the sense, I will remove all the unnecessary things such as erasing of boards and dictating of questions, and even the questions which I am going to write in the board, that will also be written before taking the videos. Okay, all those things. So those editing works will be done. So your time will get saved. Okay. Now coming to next. Solve problems and rapid revision questions. These are in video format. Okay, these are some collection of questions from previous year questions of GATE, previous year questions of ISRO, previous year questions of ESE engineering services, and also previous year questions of engineering service. Conventional questions, not what is that? Not a 1 mark question. Conventional questions and some selected questions from standard book. Okay, some selected questions, not much. Those things will be clustered and they will be solved in videos. Okay, they are you will be having a video solution, and when I'm solving the video, I will be explaining you everything, whatever the learning behind that particular question. If you are going to solve some question, there will be some learning or something which you can learn from that. All those things will be done in this. Okay, that is solved problems and rapid revision questions. That will be done in videos itself. Very good number of questions will be solved for each chapter. Coming to next. Practice sessions. This is going to be a live session. Okay, so this will be conducted in our group. Okay, so we will be creating a separate channel and we will be doing it live. Okay, so how it is going to work? Simple. I will be posting one question. Okay, so I will be, for example, as of now it is happening every Sunday. Okay, as of now it is happening every Sunday. Once we reach the stage of October, November, December, January, that is at the stage where exams will be very close. That time we will be doing it twice a week. Okay. So as of now it is Sunday. Every Sunday we will be doing a live session, live practice session. And how it is going to happen? For example, I am giving you a topic. Okay, fluid kinematics, fluid properties, and fluid statics. I have given these topics. Okay, and I asked you to prepare for that. Prepare for the practice session. And how it is going to happen? I will be collecting some 10 or 15 questions from the topic. Okay, and one by one I will be start posting it. First question I will post. I will be waiting for students to respond. Everything will happen in live. I will be waiting for students to respond, and once students responded, I will be giving them correct answer. I won't post the solution immediately. I will give the correct answer and then I will go for next question. The same way, within some 30, like for each question, I will give a time of some 3 minutes or 4 minutes. If nobody is answering the question, I will give some hint. Okay, this is something which is similar to a classroom environment, what we generally used to do in a classroom. We used to dictate a question and we used to wait, right? As a faculty, we used to wait for the response of students. If the students doesn't respond, I will be giving a hint and then I will ask them to solve. And if suppose anyone solve, finally I will be giving a correct answer. But in classroom, what happens? I will be doing the problem immediately after each question. But since it is online, since it is a practice live session, we won't be doing the questions immediately because I need to create that competitive environment. Within some 30-40 minutes, I want to make sure that the students solve some 10 to 15 questions. Okay, so I need to create that competitive environment. So 3 to 4 minutes maximum, I will take for one question. And I will post it, I will wait it, I will give a hint. If no response comes, then if some response comes or no response comes, based on that I will reply, I will give the answer, I will go for next question. And once after that 40 minutes, completion of the 10 or 15 questions, I will post the solution of each and every questions. Like there will be an option. Okay, so basically, if this is a question, there will be some option. Comment option will be there. In that comment option, I will be posting the solution. Okay, once if you join our group, you will understand it. Okay, fine. So that is what practice session about. And this practice session, we started it recently. Okay, as of now, 4 practice sessions has completed. We will be doing the practice sessions every week, and once we reach near the period of the exam, we will be doing it frequently. Now coming to next, online test series. See, in addition to practice session is different, and basically questions in practice sessions will be in the range of easy to moderate. Okay, basically it's not I won't keep tough questions. For this practice session, the questions will be collected by me. Okay, so completely by me. So I will be taking it easy to moderate questions only, and practice session will also be handled by me. Okay, the hint which I am going to give, everything which is going to be done by me. Okay, coming to next, online test series. This everyone knows. Okay, almost all the institutes offer this ME course, XE course test series and ME plus XE test series. But the thing is, if you go and see in most of the institutes, course will be different, videos, that things will be different, and test series will be different. That is, they will be keeping it as a separate course, test series separate course, video course separate course. But if you are going to get our GATE ME course, then you will get all this including GATE ME test series. Okay, if you are going for GATE XE course, you will get all this with XE test series. If you are going to register for ME and XE, you will get all this plus ME plus XE test series. I hope you are understanding my point, right? Which means our course is interlinked, or our course is already, what I could say, everything is present in a single course. You don't need to go for anything else. Right. Now coming to next, each subject. So these are the things basically, and in addition to that, we will be having in addition, these are basically what regarding the learnings, okay, regarding what you are going to learn and how you are going to practice. Okay, so we will have solved problems, we will have practice sessions, we will have test series for your practice. In addition to this, if you practice previous year questions, you will learn good. And for that also, we already covered previous year questions of XEABE in the course itself. If you are registering for GATE XE course, already previous year questions are covered. Okay, all the videos are uploaded. Fine. If there was any questions which is missing that time, or if you have any doubts in any questions, if you got stuck in any question, if there was any doubts in the video lecture, there comes our effective doubt support group. So what we are going to do in this doubt support group, simple, for each subject, for fluid mechanics, for mathematics, for strength of materials, for manufacturing, for each subject, you will get added into a doubt support group. Okay, so in that group, it generally happens, as of now it is happening in Telegram. Okay, that is for this year, and for the next year also it will be happening in Telegram only, but we are planning it to extend it to some separate software, but as of now it is going to be in Telegram. Okay, right. So in Telegram, each subject will have each group, and if you have any doubts in the video lecture, or if you have any doubts when you are solving a question, suppose if you are solving a previous year question, or you are solving a question from any other test series, or even if you are solving a question from our practice sessions or online test series or RRQ, rapid revision questions, or solved problems, if you get any doubts, you can post it in the doubt support group. And very important thing, which I feel a special thing about our course is, I will be responding to all your doubts. Okay, I will be responding to all your doubts. Maximum, if a doubt is asked in a day, I will try to respond, I will try to clear that doubt in the day itself. I won't extend it for the next day. Okay, I hope you are getting my point, right? How many, I just want to ask you that how many of you are providing, I don't know how many others are providing these things. Okay, so doubt support is something which personally I feel it's very special. I will ask you a question, like I will just ask you a question. If you are just going through some lectures, okay, you are just going through lectures, then fine, lectures you clear, every doubt has been cleared. Now you're starting to solve some problem, okay, some previous year question or some books or whatever. You got some doubt, you got stuck in between. What you will do? What you will do? Because GATE is an exam where going through video lecture is not enough, right? Going through attending a class, live classes are also not enough. You need to practice. You need to practice questions, and once if you practice questions, new doubts will start emerging. And where you will ask if you're not able to solve. Okay, so that is where our doubt support group play a huge role. You might think that why I need this if I know the concept. No, it is not true. Even if you know the concept also, you will face difficulty when you are solving problems. So you need that help, you need that support. You need that support when you are preparing for GATE. Just going through the video lectures or just going through, see, I will say something. Our course is incomplete, okay, without this doubt support group. That is what. Simple, right? Just with video lectures, what you can do, you can just learn the concept, but when you are applying the concept, okay, even you will be going through the rapid revision questions, solve problems, everything is fine. But when you are applying the concept, and if you got doubt, where you are going to ask, to whom you are going to ask, that is where this doubt support group is going to play a huge role. And again, I'm repeating, I will be the person who will be responding to it. Okay, fine. Now coming to live guidance session, this happens mostly monthly once, and again, this is also something which will happen, which is going to happen frequently when we are in the stage of November, December, January. Okay, because those are the stage where we are close to the exam. So that time guidance session will happen frequently, and majorly I will be talking about all the strategies which you need to do during your preparation. I will discuss with students. Okay, I will be discussing with students in live regarding what are all their problems they are facing. I will be conducting a question and answer sessions, and each guidance session I will have some points to discuss. For example, recently the live session which we conducted, I discussed some 6 points. Okay, something like the points related to test series, the points related to consistency, the point related to the point related to where we need to start, the point related to like how to utilize the video course. So, and if suppose they are stuck, and the point related to how you are preparing parallelly with your college or job. Okay, if you are going for college or job, how you are going to prepare parallelly. So those are some points which I will be framed already. Those questions I will be framed. I will be answering for that questions. And finally, there will be question and answer session where students can ask, and I will be responding to them. So this is live guidance session which happens with our registered students. Actually, the last guidance session I shared the link link in our free Telegram group also. Basically, we have a free Telegram group, and also we have a group for our paid members, that is group for our registered members. Free Telegram group everyone can access, and the link is also there in the description. You can just go and check out. In that you will find out our last session. Okay, because last session I just want everyone to see how our session goes. Okay, fine. And now, very important thing, validity is 365 days and 730 days. There are two different validity things are there. Okay, with this course, NE course, XE course, and I will be talking about the price details just little after. Okay, sometimes. So 365 days and 730 days. Okay, these are the validity details. Okay, so just look out other courses. Okay, just compare with other courses. I hope that maximum they will give some 90 days or some 120 days, 180 days, or few 75 days. So the validity itself 365 and 730 days. And what is the advantage and why I kept for 1 year validity? Simple. After GATE, what you are going to do? Obviously, you need to prepare for interview. You need to prepare for any other exam if it comes. As of now, due to pandemic, it was not. There is the exams are not happening. But once after pandemic gets settled down, exams are going to happen. Bar Pistol is going to happen. So what you will do that time? Suppose any doubts come in your mind, what you will do? Obviously, if you have the validity, you can go and check out the video, right? That is why I kept the validity for 365 and 730. Okay, it's not like for 730 days. It is basically for the second year students. Okay, second year students, if they start preparing for 2 years, they will utilize it. And even if you are passed out, or even if you are joining in June month or July month also, you will have a validity of 365 days. And the validity, like what I could say, 360 complete days, like from June 1st you are joining, next June 1st, okay, that is going to be validity. Okay, and now our courses are accessible both in app and also in browser. Okay, you can access in our app. We have both our Android and iOS app, and we have browser is also there. You can access it in browser also. These are majorly about our video courses, and our video course itself interlinked with test series. So there is no necessary for you to register for the test series separately. If you are getting our video course, everything is included. Now coming to cost, let me list it out. Okay, see, what do you think about cost of ME course? Complete all these features, including test series. Cost of ME course is rupees 13,999. 1 year validity. I am going to list out only 1 year validity course. Okay, 2 year you can just check in your website. It will be available. If you are second year student, 2 years validity is also there. It is available in our website. Maximum there will be some 8,000 or 7,000 difference will be there. Okay, you can just check out in our website. Now coming to EXE. Okay, it includes everything. Okay, EXE includes everything, each and everything, including EXE test series. It is rupees 8,999. Okay. Regarding test series, I will come later. After going through that, I will come for the cost. Okay. And subject course, it basically varies. How it varies? Some subjects course was 1799, and a few subject I kept it for 1999. Okay. Why few subject it is 1999? Because the subject might be big. For example, fluid mechanics and hydraulic machineries. Hydraulics itself, it was around 50 videos which I uploaded. I covered hydraulics in detail. Okay, I'm damn sure that once after going through the hydraulics, you will understand what hydraulics is really. Okay, so that is why cost of fluid mechanics and hydraulics was 200 rupees, right? 200 rupees more than that of the actual price. And mathematics course is also high. Reason, mathematics course has video lectures, it has test series, and also it has study material. Okay, max course has video lecture, it has test series, it has study material. See, one salient point which I need to talk about subject course is, if you are registering for a subject, let us consider you are registering for strength of materials. You will have video lectures, you will have test series. That means you will have a topic test, you will have subject test for that strength of materials. Okay, for strength of materials, topic test, subject test will be added in this 1,799. Okay, I am not taking any extra charges for that. In this 1799. Okay, 1,799. In that itself, you will have test series. In that itself, you will get added into doubt support. If you are having any doubts in the subject, you will it will be clarified, and you will have access to all our live guidance session. Even if you register for one course also, you will have access for all live guidance session, and whatnot. You can access in apps in the browser, of course, and the more importantly, validity is 365 days. I'm not giving a validity of 30 days or 60 days or 90 days. Okay, so 1,799 for 365 days. Okay, I hope you are understanding my point. Regarding additional topics, for additional topics also, I'm going to keep a cost something like 1,999. Why it is more? Because additional topics has some more effort compared to other subjects. Okay, so that covers all the additional topics of A, B, and E. I will talk about this in a separate video later on. Okay, ME plus XE, we have a course ME plus XE for 1 year validity. Okay, I'm displaying only 1 year validity. For 1 year validity, ME plus XE is 16,999. Okay, this is basically covers all these things. And in addition, in online test series, you will get both XE and ME test series. Okay, both XE and ME test series. I hope you are getting my point. For this 17,000 approximately, you will get lectures, you will get solved problems, rapid revision question, practice sessions, and online test series, and doubt support, and live guidance session, and of course the validity is 365 days. Okay, 1 year validity, and you can access in both app and browser. Fine. So that is what all about our courses. Going for test series. So what is special about our test series? Let me just give you an idea. We will be having a quality and new questions. Okay, we are not going to copy paste the questions straightforward. We are going to what I could say. We are going to form a question. We are going to collect questions from different standard books and different sources, and we are going to modify it according to GATE. And if you want sample questions, okay, if you want to know the demo sample questions, you just go to in YouTube. There is a tab called as community, right? In Entrance Engineering Academy itself, community. There is one tab. In that community, we will be posting. Okay, our team will be posting questions like once in 3 days or once in 2 days. Our team will be posting. Until now, also there are some 4 or 5 questions which has been posted in that YouTube community. Or okay, for demos I'm saying, you can check in YouTube community, that is YouTube post, okay, from in Entrance Engineering Academy channel, or you can check our Telegram group. Okay, so that link, Telegram group and Telegram channel, that link is also there in the description. You can check in free Telegram group. Okay, in that also we will be posting the sample questions from our test series. Okay, and what else? And Instagram page. Okay, in our Insta page also you can find out our sample questions. Okay. Now, can reattempt the test. You can reattempt the test. It is not like you attempt the test one time and you won't be able to reattempt it. You can reattempt it. Okay, you can reattempt it. Okay, that is something. For example, suppose if you are writing your test today and if you want to revise the test, you can revise it in the month of December by reattempting it. Okay, and detailed solution and detailed analytics will be provided. For knowing these things like solutions and analytics, you can check our sample questions. Okay, and now you can comment your doubts. Okay, in browser, see, basically the test can be accessed. The test can be accessed in both browser and app. Tests can be accessed in both browser and app, but my suggestion is to access the test in browser. Okay, the reason is you will have a feature to comment. Below each question there will be feature called comment. You can comment. Suppose if there was any doubt in the question, if you feel there was any mistake, and if you are solving it and you are getting some different answer, post that answer. That is, take a photo, post it. I hope you are understanding it. Something like this is a doubt support which we are going to give to you for even for test series. I think that is not available in any place. Okay. Now coming to next, GATE interface. Okay, so maybe few test series will offer this, like exactly like what TCS Ion is doing. Okay, exactly like how the TCS Ion is doing for the final GATE exam. Similarly, GATE interface, and this feature is available again only in browser, and that is why I'm asking you to write it in browser, because app the screen will be very small, so it is not that easy for us to implement these things. Of course, GATE interface, it is very tough to interface in app. Okay, but in browser you will find that the exact GATE interface. Okay, like how TCS Ion is giving for final GATE exam. But you can access the test in both app and browser. Similarly, you can access all our courses in both app and browser. But for videos, you can watch in any app or browser. It's up to you. But test series, my suggestion is to go for browser, because you will get some additional feature. And also, the browser, if you start writing test using browser, that if you start writing test in laptops or desktops, then automatically you will get habituated to the same environment as that of GATE, which you won't get if you practice in app. Okay, that is why my suggestion for writing test is to go with browser. Right. Now, finally, I have 2 questions to answer. Actually, why I made this video? Okay, there is a reason for making this video. I'm not saying it publicly. I'm not saying it in public, but there is a reason behind it. First, let me answer these 2 questions. There are 2 FAQs, okay, frequently asked questions regarding our test series. Okay, the first question is, why EXE test series is costlier than ME? Think logically, use your common sense. For EXE, we have four subjects, right? Basically 4 subjects only. Aptitude, max. Remove that aptitude max, and I am removing 30 marks from it. Okay, 30 marks for aptitude and max. Balance 70 marks for what? For any 2 core subjects. Let it be fluid mechanics plus thermodynamics, or fluid mechanics plus stenthomaterials, or stenthomaterials plus thermodynamics, whatever you want to keep it. But The thing here is, each subject I need to frame 35 questions. Each subject, F1 35 questions, TD 35 questions, strength of material is 35 questions for each one mock test. Okay, for each one mock test. In a way, we are giving 10 mock tests. What do you think? And what about ME? Remove that 30 marks or 28 marks, aptitude and max, you remove it. Balance 72 marks, approximately 10 subjects. Approximately 10 subjects. If I make it average also, each subject requires only 7 questions. Each subject requires only 7 questions. And more importantly, EXE has some different types of questions that they will ask. I will be making a separate video regarding that, like what is basic difference between FM in EXE and FM in ME, and what is the basic difference between TD in EXE and TD in ME. What is the basic difference between solid mechanics in EXE and solid mechanics in ME? I will be making a video, separate video for each and every subject. Okay, especially I am going to do it for core. If time permits, I will be doing it for max also. Okay, what I was saying. So for each subject, okay, for FM, 35 marks, I need to collect from one subject. Like for one subject, 35 marks into 10, it is approximately 350 marks. Okay, so each time it is like 22 questions will be there, right? 9 1-mark question and 13 2-mark questions. So 22 into 10, so 220 questions only from FM, and more importantly, the question should not be repeated from GATE ME or GATE EXE. The question should not be repeated from ISRO or any other exam. The question should be in EXE level, because we know what is EXE level is. EXE level is not equivalent to ME. EXE is higher than that of, it's at higher level than that of ME. So we need to collect a very quality questions. Okay, I'm just talking about one subject FM. I'm talking about only FM, one subject. Quality questions, and also we need to make sure that the questions are not getting repeated. We need to make sure that the questions are as equivalent to EXE, and sometimes we need to make sure that the questions are tougher than EXE. Okay, we will be keeping some questions tougher than EXE also, so that you will come out of your comfort zone. And I'm talking only about one subject, and I need to frame 70 marks from 2 subjects. I hope that you are getting my point. But ME, 70 marks from 10 subjects, so approximately 7 marks. Okay, which approximately, if you take 3 1 marks or 2 1 marks and 3 1 marks and 2 marks, so approximately 5 questions. Okay, so 5 questions from one subject in case of ME, and here 22 questions from one subject. And all that 22 question has to be, what I could say, a quality questions. That is very important. Of course, our test series, if you take our test series, the test series is going to contain easy question, it's going to contain medium questions, that is moderate question, and it's going to contain tough. It's going to be cluster of these questions, but we need to make sure that the questions are in line with GATE, and the questions are good, and they are, what I could say, they are very much relevant to GATE, and sometimes few questions tougher than GATE also. So last time when we conducted GATE EXE test series, I kept a cost of 400 rupees, approximately 399 for 5 mock tests. But this time it's going to be 10 mock tests, and also we will be having section test, topic test also. So that is why cost is kept. And also I'm repeating it, last time I'm the only person who worked on the test series, and I'm the only person who worked on our course also. But this time we have a team for test series. There is a person who is going to type, there is a person who is going to manage our, manage our portal, there is uploading the questions and managing those things. There is a person who is going to draw the diagram. You would have seen it, our diagrams, which in our demo questions, okay. So there is a person for drawing the diagram. There is a person to collect the questions and discuss with me. And after discussing it, we will have a brainstorming session, and then we will finalize the questions. After finalizing, we will send it to typing. After typing, we will send it to diagram. And after diagram, we will combine it, and then we will send it for uploading. So there is so much of effort behind the test series. Okay, so last time I'm the only person who handled it, because I didn't have ME course to handle. I had only EXE course to handle. So only 5 mock tests, I managed it. Okay, I managed it in a way. Okay, I could do. I used to sit for some 12 hours, 13 hours per day during the December month. Okay, only for this test series. It happened. Okay. But now I cannot sit 12 hours, 13 hours for 13 hours in one day, right? Because I have many commitments, especially ME course and EXE course are combined. So I need to make sure that I'm serving to my students properly. So I need a team, and if there is a team, I need to pay them. Obviously, I need to give a salary to them. So if I give the test series for 400 rupees, how can I manage? I hope you are understanding my point. So test series cost is basically not high. It's seriously not high. It is kept at a reasonable price only. You might feel it high because you will compare the test series cost with our course cost. Let me say you one thing. Course is something which I am the only person responsible for. Even if I get profit or even if I get loss, the thing is, I am the only person who is going to get affected. But test series is something which others are also dependent on me, so obviously I need to pay them. So that's not going to happen by I cannot give some. I hope you are understanding my point. I don't want to stress it on. Okay, so that is major reason why EXE test series, as I given you, okay, 35 marks from single subject. It's not that easy. Framing 10 mock test for EXE. If I compare that framing 10 mock test for EXE, if I compare it with one complete test series for GATE ME, framing 10 mock test for EXE is difficult. Okay, you just go and ask to anyone, because 35 marks for FM, 35 marks for thermo, 35 marks for strength of materials, and 15 marks mathematics, 15 marks aptitude. Max has to be at a higher level. Aptitude, it is fine, but 35 solid mechanics, 35 fluid mechanics, 35 thermodynamics, it is not that easy to be framed. Okay, so framing 10 mock test is difficult than working on complete ME test series. That is why EXE test series is costlier than ME, and it will be costlier. The price won't be revised. Okay. Fine. Now let me just give you the price. The basic price of ME was 1199. Okay, rupees 1199, and EXE is rupees 1699. And there is an offer going on, coupon code offer. You can just check the coupon code. What is that coupon code? All those things I just given you in the description. You can check it out. And that offer will be until June 15th. And for all these courses, we have group offer. Okay, we have group offer. Suppose if you are going to join in 2 or join in 3 or join in 4, based on your groups, there will be offers. For knowing about that, you can just WhatsApp me. I will discuss. See, just compare all these courses. Okay, whatever we are offering, whatever the feature and whatever the test series, video lectures, everything. If you want, you just compare it with anyone you want, any other institutes or any other whatever institutes you want, you just compare it. Okay, and again, you might think that I'm giving he's saying that his price was very low. Okay, but then his quality will also be not good. And then you can check our demo videos, you can check our demo questions also. You will understand it. See, the thing here is, I started this is not only that is I started Endurance Engineering Academy not only for monetary benefits. That is, I'm damn sure about it. And those who know me, they know about that. Okay. If you ask me, there are few of my friends, few of my relations, they used to say that increase your price. They increase the price of course. They increase the price of this, that. But I just want to make sure that the cost which I'm getting, it is something which is sufficient for me, which I could balance everything and I could run the institute in a proper way. I will say one small fact. The camera by using which I'm taking this video, that camera was in EMI. Okay, still I have to pay 2 more EMIs. I don't know how many of you will believe this, but still I have to pay 2 more EMIs for the camera. And similarly, monthly for app management, for Android iOS app, and for browser, for LMS management, I need to pay it. So the price is kept at very reasonable. Okay, I will say that it is less than reasonable, but if you don't accept it, fine, it is up to you. That is completely up to you. Okay, see, honestly, this 14,000, to compare it with 62,000. Okay, 62,000, I don't want to reveal the name, or 62,000 or 50,000, I don't want to reveal the name. Just compare this 14 with 62 or 50. Okay, the content is going to be as equivalent to that, but the course price was this, and this includes our test series also. Okay, this 14,000, this 9,000 includes our test series also. Okay, so I will say, I don't want to make this video. That is seriously, I don't have a plan, because I have many plans. Okay, I need to complete manufacturing. Presently, we are dealing with manufacturing, so I need to complete it. I need to prepare questions for this weekend. That is this Sunday's practice session, and also I need to plan for next live guidance session. I need to plan for additional questions of mathematics. So there are many plans. So I don't want to make this video, to be honest, but I'm making this video for a reason, because just want to remove the misunderstanding. Okay, because I'm doing it for a cause. I'm doing it. See, you would have seen my cause. Okay, in my website itself. You just go to the no more. No more panel, no more tab in our website. You will get to know about us, why I'm doing this and all those things. As basically I'm from a middle class family. I know about the students who are in middle class. Okay, so I know about them. They wanted to do something, but they weren't able to do majorly because of financial situation. Okay, so I know about them. I said, right, I given you an example also regarding me. Still I have to pay EMI, still I have to pay monthly rents. So my financial situation is also something which is not completely safe. Okay, so I am doing this for students. So, but at the same time, I just want to manage my financial situation also. My financial situation, and also my team members who is working on our test series, who is working on our courses. Obviously in courses, mostly no member is working. I am the only person who is going to be in charge of video course. But for test series, there are few persons. For our portal, the management of portals, all those things, we have our team. Okay, so obviously we have to make sure that we are we are also able to live, right? So that is why the price is. You can negotiate with me if you want. Okay, if you really want, you can negotiate with me. You just message me in WhatsApp. I will talk with you personally. Okay, fine. That's it. Actually, I taken more than what I thought of this video. So let me close the video. Let me meet in the next video.